said, so what is this? I was very glad to have this discussion. I told them all about Diwali, why we do it, the celebration that we're having in training room. And they were pleasantly surprised. They were very happy and they said, wow, this is interesting. So you do this every year? Why do you do this every year? And that made me thinking, why do we do this every year? It does require a lot of effort. There is a lot of planning that goes into it. We have lots of meetings. We have to assign tasks, plan the food, the menu, decoration. We did have a team of 5-6 people here yesterday putting the stages together. They were working till late and non-stop WhatsApp messages. I received a late one yesterday from Giri around 10:30. Telling everyone thank you for helping out. I received an early one from him, 6 o'clock. Remember, everybody, is Diwali celebration. Please remember your assigned tasks, bring your decorations. So it was a busy day planning all this. Praveena called an early Diwali meeting in June. It really surprised me because she was going to India and she wanted us to decide a theme so she can get stuff from India. So, all that planning that goes into it. And we all know this is a busy time of the year. We're in sprint 3 of K2. Everybody knows that. And anytime you talk to anyone, a non-K2 question, you hear this common response. Hey, don't talk to me, I'm K2. So long story short, why do we do this every year? Why do we do this celebration every year, put a lot of effort into this, and every year we do it with renewed energy, with a lot more excitement, happiness, enthusiasm. And I thought about it, and my simple explanation is, this is to celebrate the Indian culture of very, very gracious, warm, welcoming hospitality that we have in our culture. There is a famous Sanskrit saying, Atithi Devo Bhava, which means guest is equivalent to God. Traditionally in our culture, we go out of our way to welcome our guests. We always celebrate and enjoy them. In most of our legends, in most of our stories, it says, share your happiness, share your food with your friends, family, and guests. It's considered a bad omen to turn a visitor away from your door. And that, my friends, is a culture we like to extend when we celebrate this Diwali festival with our extended family here. And what better occasion to do this celebration other than Diwali? Diwali is a famous festival celebrated all over India. It brings the east, west, north, south together. It brings a togetherness in this diversity, and that's what we extend when we do this celebration. So I welcome our extended Kemper family to join us in this celebration and enjoy the food and the festivities that we have planned for today.